demo of OpenRefine, and one thing I find myself trying to do a lot at work is to do some kind of API call and then clean the data before we bring it over into some database. And so that's kind of what I wanted to focus on. So I found a really simple JSON example, and we'll show how you can actually turn that into tabular data pretty easy with OpenRefine. So I'll switch over here, actually from this page right here. This is just like a website that has like free API testing. And so if you get a list of users, you can make an API call and you'll get this JSON response back over here. So if you can see, there's ID 7, ID 8, ID 9, there's these different people in here. And so a lot of times we want to take that, turn that JSON response into tabular data, and then bring it back into a database. So if you see a little bit closer over here, I just downloaded it, called it sample JSON file, and it's that exact JSON from over there. So even though it's a relatively simple one, it'll illustrate how to actually turn this into tabular data really easily with OpenRefine. So with that, we come into OpenRefine. This is a brand new project. So we're going to choose a file, and you could, so in this case, we're going to do sample JSON, open that up, hit next. And now I imported it, and now it's telling us to choose the record path. And in our case, it's the data. So each one of these different IDs is a different record. So as soon as we select that, now it's done. It converted that into a table. It recognized these as numbers. We have email addresses, first name, last name, and then an active link to an image for that person. So that's it. And then we can actually create a project, saving it as sample JSON. It converted all that. And now we have this table in OpenRefine, and we can export it into any number of options here. So in this case, we'll just download it as a CSV, and now we have that CSV that we can access and review, and all the different formats we could use. But anyways, that's how you take a simple JSON response, convert it into a table, and we could do any other modifications and complicated cleaning all through OpenRefine as well.